Good morning, students. So let's start the full-fledged problems of this chapter. ABC were partners in the firm sharing profit and loss in the ratio 3:2:1. So what is the old ratio? 3:2:1. On March 31st, 2017, their balance sheet is given. We have fixed assets, we have current assets. They have given us capital, reserve fund, creditors and employees provident fund. From 1st April, they decided to share future profits equally. So in the ratio 1:1:1. Goodwill of the firm is valued at 3 lakh. So for goodwill, what was our entry? Gaining partners capital account debited to sacrificing partners capital account. So the first step, we need to find the gain or sacrifice ratio, right? Next, they have given us fixed asset will be depreciated by 10%. When a fixed asset is depreciated, it means there is a decrease in the value of fixed asset. So decrease in the value of fixed asset, what is the journal entry? It is revaluation account debited to fixed assets account, right? Next, expenses of 3000 were paid by the firm for getting the value of fixed asset certified. So we have expenses again. So when the expenses, again revaluation account will be debited. What are we paying? Money. So it will be to bank account, 3000 debit, 3000 credit. Last one is capital of the partners will be in the proportion to their new profit sharing ratio. For this purpose, current accounts will be opened. So there will be an adjustment for the fourth entry. Before that, let us do the remaining entries. So write down journal entries. Draw the format, date, particulars, LF, amount debited, amount credited. So what will be the first journal entry? It is about the goodwill. So write down working note. Calculation of sacrifice gain ratio. So what is the formula? It is old ratio minus new ratio. We have three partners, that is A, B, C. So what is the old ratio of A? It is 3/6 minus 1/3. So what is the LCM? It is 6. 3 minus 2. We get 1/6. Next for B, it is 2/6 minus 1/3. It is how much? 2 minus 2/6. Nothing. It will be nil or 0. And for C, it is 1/6 minus 1/3. So we'll get 1 minus 2 divided by 6, that is 1/6. So A has gained or sacrificed, A has sacrificed and B has gained. So what is the entry for goodwill? It is gaining partners capital account debited to sacrificing partners capital account. So write down on 1st April 2017, who is the gaining partner? C is the gaining partner. So C's capital account debited to A's capital account. What will be the amount? What is the amount of goodwill? Out of 3 lakh it is, what is his share? 1/6. So 50,000 will be debited, 50,000 will be credited. Write down the narration. Treatment of goodwill due to change in profit sharing ratio. So go to our balance sheet. Do we have any reserve fund? Yes, we have reserve fund. So when we have reserve fund, as nothing has been mentioned in the problem and then the profit sharing ratio has been changed, what is an assumption? It is an assumption that we distribute the reserve fund among the partners in the old ratio. I hope you remember we had studied how do we distribute goodwill. We had studied the reserves and surplus. We had studied revaluation account. So how do we do with the reserve and surplus? We transfer it to the partners capital account. So write down reserve fund account debited to A's capital account, to B's capital account, to C's capital account, right? So what will be A's capital account? What is the total reserve fund? 18,000. And what is the old ratio? 3/6. So A is 9,000. B is 18,000 into 2 by 6, that is 6,000, and then we have 18,000 into 1 by 6, that is 3,000, and reserve fund will be debited by 18,000. Write down the narration. Reserve fund transferred to partners' capital account in their old profit sharing ratio. Next, write down decrease in the value of asset. Fixed asset has been reduced. So what will be the entry? Revaluation account debited to fixed assets account. It is depreciated by how much? 10%. And what is the value of fixed asset? It is 1,50,000. So 1,50,000 into 10 by 100. 15,000 debit, 15,000 credit. Write down the narration. Decrease in the value of fixed assets. After that, again on 1/4/17 they were expenses which were paid. So what will be debited? Revaluation account will be debited. Why? Because all the expenses are debited. And what are we paying? Money. So we will credit bank account. 3,000 debit, 3,000 credit. Write down the narration. Expenses for revaluation of fixed assets. Any other entry of revaluation? No. So we need to know whether it is a profit or a loss. So revaluation account, our debit side is total is 18,000, which is more than the credit side. So it is a loss. So again on 1/4/17, whenever there is loss, what will be debited? We will debit A's capital account, B's capital account, C's capital account to revaluation account. So what is the total of revaluation account? It is 18,000 credit. A will be 18,000 into old ratio 3 by 6, that will be 9,000. B is 18,000 into 2 by 6, that is 6,000, and C is 18,000 into 1 by 6, that is 3,000. So write down the narration. Loss on revaluation transferred to partners' capital account. What is the fourth entry? Capital of the partners will be in proportion to their new profit sharing ratio. For this purpose, current account will be opened. So for this, we will be drawing partners' capital account. So to draw partners capital account, we will have debit side and credit side. Debit side we have 3 partners, credit side we have 3 partners. So we have particulars A, B, C, particulars A, B and C. The first step is to bring down the balance. By balance brought down, the capital account of A, B and C. What is the capital account? 50,000, 40,000, and for C it is 30,000. Next, go to our journal entries. Next step is we have transferred the reserve fund to partners capital account. So write down by reserve fund. How much is it? A it is 9,000, B it is 6,000, C it is 3,000. Then there is a treatment of goodwill for A and C. So transfer of goodwill, what is it? C's capital account to A's capital account. So here we will be having C's capital account. Under A we will be writing 50,000. Right? And on the debit side we'll be having A's capital account. How much is it? 50,000 will be written under C. Why have I written here under A and here under C? Because what was our entry? Our entry C's capital account to A's capital account. So when we are writing on the credit side by C's capital account, it means that C has gained 50,000 from A. And when we are writing to A's capital account on the debit side, it means A has sacrificed 50,000 to C. Clear? Next we have loss on revaluation. So to revaluation account, it is 9,000, 6,000 and 3,000. Now we need to total both side and see which side is more. For A, which side is more? It is 50 plus 50, 1 lakh. 1 lakh plus 9,000, it is 1 lakh 9,000. Our credit side total is more. So what will be the balancing figure? To balance carried down, it will be 1 lakh rupees. For B, which side is more? Again, it is our credit side, 46,000, 46,000. What is the balancing figure? 40,000. In case of C, which side is more? Our debit side is more, that is 53,000 total, 53,000 total. What is the balancing figure? By balance carried down, we will get 20,000. So what is the fourth entry they have given us? They have told us capital of the partners will be in the proportion to their new profit sharing ratio. For this purpose, current account will be opened. So now in this case, what is the balance of A? It is 1 lakh. What is the balance of B? It is 40,000 debit. B, it is 40,000 debit. And C, it is 20,000 credit. So what is the total of the three partners? It is 1,40,000 minus 20,000. We get 1,20,000, right? So they have said that whatever is the balance of the partners will be transferred in the new profit sharing ratio. So what is the new profit sharing ratio? Into 1 by 3. So each partner should get 40,000 each. So this 40,000 is the new capital of all the three partners. So whatever is the balance which is remaining with the partners will be transferred to the current account of the partners. So after doing this, draw the table. Existing capital, we have three partners A, B, C. What is the existing capital of A? 1 lakh. B, it is 40,000. C, it is deficit 20,000. What is the required capital? We have already transferred it, found out, that is 40,000, 40,000 and 40,000. So how much will be transferred to current account? Transferred to current account. 1 lakh minus 40,000, 60,000 will be transferred to current account. This will be a credit balance. Here nothing will be transferred to current account because 40,000 minus, we already have the required capital. Here our existing capital is 20,000 but we require 40,000. So how much we need to transfer to the current account to get 40,000? We need to transfer 60,000. Why 60,000? Because we have a deficit of 20,000 already and we require 40,000 capital. So only after we transfer 60,000 to current account and then we deduct the deficit, we will be getting the required capital, that is 40,000. Correct? So in case of A, it will be a credit balance and in case of C, it will be a debit balance. So write down 1,417. A's capital account debited to A's current account. Write down the narration. A's excess capital credited to his current account. Next write down again 1,417. C's current account debited to C's capital account. 60,000 debit, 60,000 credit. Write down the narration. C's deficit capital debited to his current account. Clear? This is how you will be working out a full-fledged problem. Let's work out another problem. Ashok, Bhima and Chetan were partners in the firm sharing profit and loss in the ratio 3:2:1. Their balance sheet was as follows. Ashok, Bhima and Chetan decide to share the profit and loss equally. So what is the old ratio? 3:2:1. What is the new ratio? equally. So 1 is to 1 is to 1. Goodwill of the firm will be valued at 3 lakh. Land to be revalued at 1,60,000. So how much was the value of land? 1 lakh. It has increased to 1,60,000, which means there is increase in fixed asset. And building to be depreciated by 6%. So 1 lakh into 6%, which means there is a decrease in fixed asset. Creditors of 12,000 were not likely to be claimed and hence it is written off. What was our creditors? It was 1 lakh rupees. It is said that 12,000 will not be claimed, which means there is decrease in liability. Right? Prepare revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheet. So in this problem, they have not asked us to do the journal entries, but they have asked us to prepare the revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheet. So first prepare revaluation account. We have debit side which are the expenses and credit side which are the incomes. So we have particulars, amount, particulars and amount. First thing what they have given us, they have said us about land. There is an increase in value of land. So increase in land is land account debited to revaluation account. What is the increase? 60,000. That is 1,60,000 minus 1 lakh. Next they have said the depreciation in buildings. So two buildings account, that is decrease in the value of buildings. 1 lakh into 6 by 100. We get 6,000. Next they have said that the creditors are not to be claimed. So by creditors account 12,000. So the value of liability is decreasing. Then we total our debit side and credit side. Our credit side total is more, 72,000 debit, 72,000. So the balancing figure will be transferred to partners capital account. Is it a profit or loss? It is profit on revaluation. So write in bracket profit on revaluation. We have three partners, that is Ashok, Bhim and Chetan. Please write the full name, that is Ashok, Bhim, Chetan. So Ashok's capital will be how much? 72,000 minus 6,000. What is the balancing figure? 66,000. So 66,000 into 3 by 6. It is 33,000. Then we have 66,000 into 2 by 6, that is 22,000. 66,000 into 1 by 6, that is 11,000. How did I get 66,000? It is nothing but 72,000 minus 6,000. Clear preparing the revaluation account? Next we need to prepare our partners capital account. Again we have debit side, credit side. Ashok, Bhim, Chetan, Ashok, Bhim and Chetan. So we'll have particulars. Ashok, write the full name please. Bhim, Chetan. Particulars, Ashok, Bhim and Chetan. So the first step in partners capital account is to bring down the balance by balance brought down. Which balance do we need to bring? Go to your balance sheet. We have capital balances of A, B and C. So 2 lakh, 1 lakh, 50,000. So 2 lakh Ashok, 1 lakh Bhim, 50,000 is Chetan. Then again go to your problem. Do we have any general reserve? Yes. If nothing has been mentioned about in the problem, which means we have to transfer the general reserve to our partner's capital account. So write down by general reserve. It will be in which ratio? It will be in the old ratio. So what is the old ratio? 3 is to 2 is to 1. And what is the general reserve? 60,000. So 60,000 into 3 by 6 is A, 30,000. 60,000 into 2 by 6 is B, 20,000. 60,000 into 1 by 6 is C, that is 10,000. Next we transfer the profit of revaluation account. By revaluation account, what is it? Ashok is 33,000, Bhim is 22,000 and Chetan is 11,000. Right? Then they have given us goodwill. To know what will be the transfer of goodwill, write down working note. calculation of sacrifice gain ratio. So we have Ashok, Bhim and Chetan. What is the old ratio of Ashok? 3 by 6 minus 1 by 3. We will get 1 by 6. Then we have 2 by 6 minus 1 by 3. It will be nil. And then we have 1 by 6 minus 1 by 3, which will get 1 by 6. So A has sacrificed and C has gained. What is the amount of goodwill? The amount of goodwill is 3 lakh rupees. So what is the entry? Gaining partners to sacrificing partners. Who is the gaining partner? It is C's capital account to A's capital account. 3 lakh into 1 by 6, 50,000 debit, 50,000 credit. So now we'll go to our partner's capital account. So what is debited? Chetan's capital account. So write down by Chetan's capital account. So by Chetan's account, under A will be writing 50,000 and here will be writing by Ashok's capital account, and under Chetan we will be writing 50,000. Next, total. Which side is more? A credit side total of Ashok is more, that is 3,13,000. For Bhim it is 1,42,000 and for Chetan it is 71,000. So 3,13,000, 1,42,000 and 71,000. So what is the balancing figure? To balance carried down. This balance carried down is the new capital of 3 partners. So what is it? It is 3,13,000, 1,42,000 and 21,000. Clear? Last we need to prepare the balance sheet. Write down balance sheet as on 1st April 2015. We have liabilities, amount, assets and amount. Liabilities, amount, assets and amount. So first we need to write land. What is the revaluation amount of land? It is 1,60,000. Then we have building. What was the balance of building? It was 1 lakh less depreciation. How much is the depreciation? 6%. So 6,000. We get 94,000. The remaining things will be as it is. Plant will be 2 lakh. Stock will be 80,000. Debtors will be 60,000. Bank will be 10,000. Then on the liability side we have creditors. What was the amount of creditors? In the opening balance sheet the creditors was 1 lakh less, how much is it? Creditors written off. How much is written off? 12,000 is written off. So what is the balance? 88,000. Then bills payable will be as it is, that is 40,000. And last we have capital, that is Ashok, Bhim and Chetan. Here we need to write down the balance which we have got in a capital account, partners capital account, that is 3,13,000, 1,42,000 and 21,000. How much is it? Total 4,76,000. So what is the total of our balance sheet? 6,04,000, 6,04,000. Clear? So that's all for today. We shall be continuing the remaining problems in the next class. Thank you.